In this video, I'm going to talk about least square method. Here is a question: find the value of a. Here we're given a data, so we have to find the value of this n. We're going to first of all, I'm going to build a formula from scratch. Then we're going to use that formula to find the value of a. So with all that said, let's get started. Here is the first step. S is equals to sum y minus ax squared. Everything inside the brackets is to the power 2. So this is the method. This is the least square method. Okay, here is the second step. This is S equals to sum. Here let's make two identical brackets. Y minus a x squared and x minus y minus a x to the power 2, then close the bracket. Sum here. Now we're going to multiply. Y times y is equals to y squared. Y times minus a x to the power 2 is equals to minus a x to the power 2 y minus ax squared minus y is equals to minus ax squared y. Then finally, as minus times minus is equals to positive, a times a is equals to a squared. X squared times x squared is equals to 4, is x to the power 4. Now let's add these two like terms. S is equals to sum y squared minus 2ax squared to a squared y. Y plus y squared x to the power 4 . Okay, so now let's find the derivative of s. Let's find the derivative of s in respect of a. In respect of a. is equals to sum here. So let's derive everything inside the brackets here. Let's start by this term. Here there is no, because we are deriving in respect of a, so here there is no a. So this term we will take it as a constant. Then the first derivative of a constant is equals to 0. Then here we have 0. The second term, this one is minus 2ax squared y. Here we're going to have minus 2 a, sorry, not a, y, oh, x to the power 2y, x to the power 2y. Then here is plus 2 a x to the power 4, x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Derivative of s in respect of a is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. And here I'm going to write 0. Then let's just multiply everything inside the brackets by sum. So here we're going to have minus 2 sum x squared times y plus 2 a sum 4 x to the power 4. So now here we have to make a the subject of the formula. We have to make a the subject of the formula. So let's just transpose here and divide. It's minus 2a to the power x to the power 4, and it's equals to minus 2 sum x to the power 2y then we're going to divide both sides by minus 2 sum 4 to the power x to the power 4. Therefore a is equals to sum x squared y divided by sum x to the power 4. Okay, so here is the formula. We built this formula. So now we can go ahead and find the value of a. But just to save time, you can just memorize this formula. It just as for me, I'm not used to memorize a formula. I prefer to build it instead of memorizing it. But it is also important to, like, for the sake of time, you can just memorize it, but it is also important to know how to build it for in case you forgot it. Okay, so yeah, let's make a table. xy squared times x to the power 2 times y. Then here we have x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Then let's find the sum of these values. X to the power 4 is equals to 1 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 4. Therefore answer here is equals to 979. Then let's find the sum of x squared times y. One to the power 2 times 1 plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2 times 1, then plus 3 to the power 2 to the power 2 times 2 plus 4 to the power 2 times 2. Then finally 5 to the power 2 times 4. Therefore, the final answer here is equals to 791. 979 791. Here I'm just going to write sum, and let's substitute this formula to find the value of a. Sum of x squared times y is equals to 791. Divided by 979. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 0, 8, 8, 0, 7, 9, 7. Therefore, here is the final answer. This is 0, 8, 0, 7, then x squared. So this one is the final answer. I hope I didn't make any mistake. So this one is the final answer.